Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 9.2. Question number 1 says find the sum. They have given us 7 parts. And they have told us to find the sum, that is addition of two rational numbers. We have already gone through the introduction part, how to add two rational numbers with the same denominator. Here denominators are same, so we will take LCM. LCM will remain 4 and numerator we will add them. 5 plus into minus will become minus 11. Now minus 11 is having greater value, greater sign, so the answer will be in minus. 11 minus 5 will be 6 divided by 4. 4 we can write 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So our answer will be minus 3 by 2. Moving to second part. Second part is having 5 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 5. Here denominators are not same, so we will take LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Therefore 5 divided by 3 will become 3 5s are, so numerator also 5 5s are. New number will be 25 by 15 and 3 by 5. To make the denominator 15, I will multiply it by 3. So 9 by 15 will be our new number. Now we will add these two numbers. So we will write like this: 25 by 15 plus 9 by 15 is equal to, now the denominators are same, so we will write 15 and add the numerator 25 by 9, which is nothing but 25 plus 5 will be 30 plus 4 34 by 15. Now we can't cancel out, so our answer will be 34 divided by 15. Moving to third part. Third part is having minus 9 divided by 10 plus 22 divided by 15. Now taking LCM of 10 and 15, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 1s are and 3 1s are. LCM of 10 and 15 will be 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we will write LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now we will multiply the denominator to make it 30. Therefore minus 9 by 10, 10 I must multiply it by 3 so that I can get 30. So numerator also by 3. New number we will get is minus 27 divided by 30 and 22 by 15. To make 15 30, we must multiply it by 2, so numerator also by 2. So we will get 44 divided by 30. Now we will add these two numbers. Therefore minus 27 by 30 plus 44 divided by 30 is equal to, LCM will be 30 and numerator we will add, that is minus 27 plus 44. Minus 27 plus 44, plus sign is greater, so we will be having the answer in plus. 44 minus 27 we will do, so it will give us 13 plus 4 17. 17 divided by 30 will be our answer, because it can't be cut further. Now moving to fourth part. fourth part is having minus 3 divided by minus 11 plus 5 divided by 9. Here minus and minus in numerator and denominator will cancel out. Therefore the new number will be 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9. Here LCM of 11 and 9 is 99, because in each table 9 doesn't goes in 11's table and 11 doesn't comes in 9's table. Therefore the new number will be 3 by 11. To make it 99, I will multiply it by 9. So numerator also by 9. 9 3s are 27 divided by 99. And the other number is 5 by 9. To make it 99, I must multiply it by 11. So new number will be 55 divided by 99. Now we will add the two new numbers with the same denominator. Therefore 27 by 99 plus 55 divided by 99 is equal to 99 will be LCM and numerator will be added. 27 plus 55. 55 plus 20 will give me 75. 75 plus 5 will be 80. 80 plus 2 is 82 by 99 will be our answer. It cannot be cut further, so I will place it as it is. Now moving to the fifth part. Fifth part is minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. And we know that in 19th table 19 3s are 57. 19 3s is 57 and 57th table 57 1s is 57. So therefore LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. Now to make this number denominator as 57, what we will do? Therefore minus 8 by 19 we will multiply it by 3, so numerator also by 3. So the new number will be minus 24 divided by 57. The second number is already, the denominator is already having 57. So we will add these two numbers. Therefore minus 24 divided by 57 plus minus 2 divided by 57. We will place it in the bracket because two signs are different. Is equal to, denominator is same, so 57, numerator will be added, minus 24 plus into minus will become minus 2. Now since both the signs are same, the answer will be negative and we will add this number, so it will become minus 26 divided by 57. We can't cut it further, so your answer will be as it is. Now moving to sixth part. We must not waste paper, that is why I am solving in this sheet only. Minus 2 divided by 3 plus 0. This question is very easy. Anything, if in anything, any number you add 0, the number remains same, that is minus 2 by 3. Very easy, right? So moving to our last part, that is seventh part. Question is minus 2 integer 1 by 3 plus 4 integer 3 by 5. First we will make it in the fraction form. This is 3 2s are 6 plus 1 minus 7 by 3 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23 by 5. Now Denominator is not same, so we will write LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. If both the denominators doesn't go in each other's table, we will multiply that number and that will be our LCM. So we will have LCM minus 7 by 3. To make it 315, I will multiply it by 5. So numerator also by 5. So the new number will be minus 35 by 15. And 23 by 5. To make the 5 15, I will multiply it by 3. So 23 into 3 will be 69 divided by 15. Now adding these two numbers, we will get minus 35 divided by 15 plus 69 divided by 15 is equal to LCM will be 15 only. We will add the numerator minus 35 plus 69. Since the plus sign is greater, number in plus sign is greater, so we will have the positive number. So we will subtract 69 minus 35, that will give me 34. Because the plus sign, number in the plus sign is greater, so it will be plus 34 by 15. And plus 34 by 15 we can write in mixed fraction, because the number was in mixed fraction. So we will again write it in mixed fraction as 15 2s are 30 plus 4, that is 2 integer 4 by 15 will be our answer. So this is how you add two rational numbers. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through the introduction lecture first and then solve, and then again see this lecture so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.